Nikhilam Multiplication 1. This uses the sutra Nikhilam Navatash Charaman Dashatah. Nikhilam Navatash Charaman Dashatah, which simply means all from 9 and the last from 10. And this is used for multiplying numbers which are close to a base of 10 or 100 or 1,000 or any power of 10. Let's see how it works with a simple example. 7 times 8. Now both of these numbers are close to 10, so 10 is the base. And we look at the deficiencies of the numbers to be multiplied. So the deficiency of 7 is 3, and the deficiency of 8 is 2. It doesn't mean 7 minus 3, it means that 7 is less than 10 by 3. So that's the meaning of these minus signs, and these will come into play later on. Now, the answer comes in 2 steps, a right-hand part and a left-hand part. For the right, we simply multiply the 2 deficiencies. 2 times 3 is 6. And for the left-hand part, we cross-subtract 7 minus 2 or 8 minus 3. Either way gives the same answer, 5. And there we have 56. There are 2 other ways of obtaining the left-hand digit. One is to take the base, 10, and subtract the 2 deficiencies. 10 minus 3 minus 2 is 5. And the other is to add the 2 numbers to be multiplied and then subtract the base. 7 add 8 minus 10 gives 5. In practice, no one uses these other 2 methods, but I thought I'd just show them. So generally, people use the cross-subtraction method, which is quicker and easier. Another example, 9 times 6. 9 is deficient by 1 and 6 by 4. On the right, multiply the 2 deficiencies. 1 times 4 is 4. And on the left, cross-subtract 9 minus 4 or 6 minus 1, 5. And the answer is 54. Have a go at these to start. Stop the video and then afterwards I'll show the answers. So here are the answers. In the last example, 6 times 7, deficiencies of 4 and 3, on multiplying 4 times 3 we have 12. But there is only space on the right hand side for 1 digit, and so the 1 of 12 has to be carried to the left. And so on the cross subtraction, 6 minus 3 giving 3, or 7 minus 4 giving 3, we add in the carry 1 giving 4. So the answer is 42. Now moving to base 100, consider this example, 96 times 97. And here we can use the sutra, all from 9 and the last from 10, to obtain the deficiencies. Because 9 from 9 is 0, and 6 from 10 is 4, and 9 from 9 is 0, and 7 from 10 is 3. And so we have deficiencies 0, 4 and 0, 3. Again, the answer comes in 2 parts, a right-hand part and a left-hand part. For the right, multiply the 2 deficiencies to give 12. And on the left, cross-subtract 96 minus 3 or 97 minus 4, giving 93. And the answer is 9,312. Here's another example, 88 times 95. To obtain deficiencies, subtract 8 from 9, giving 1, and 8 from 10, giving 2. So 12. And then for 95, it is 0, 5. On the right, multiply 5 times 12 is 60. And on the left, cross-subtract 95 minus 12 or 88 minus 5. Either way, it is 83. Third example, 79 times 92. 7 from 9 is 2 and 9 from 10 is 1. So the deficiency is 21. And then for 92 we have 0, 8. Well, multiplying, 8 times 21 is 168. We can do this single digit by single digit. 8 times 1 is 8, and 8 times 2 is 16. But we're only allowed 2 digits for the right-hand part, and so the 1 of 16 there has to be carried to the left. So on the left-hand side, 79 minus 8 is 71. Add the carry 1 gives 72. Stop the video and have a go at these. Good, now I'll show you the answers. In the last problem, there is a carry digit to be taken account of. Here is the rule about the number of digits on the right. Number of digits in every case equals the number of noughts in the base. So if the base is 10, that has 1 0. So we're only allowed 1 digit on the right-hand part. For base 100 has 2 zeros, and so we need 2 digits on the right. Here is some practice for you to do. Stop the video and work through these. Good, now I'll show you the answers. And that concludes the first step in Nikhilam multiplication.